Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're diving into something that's about to shake up the entire home entertainment experience. The new Apple TV 2025 is coming, and it's not just an upgrade. It's a complete reinvention of how Apple wants you to experience content, gaming, and smart home control, all from one sleek little box. Now, before you scroll away thinking it's just another streaming box, hold on. Because what Apple is reportedly planning for the 2025 Apple TV could make every other streaming device look outdated. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see why tech insiders are calling it the smartest and most powerful Apple TV ever made. So, let's jump right in. The biggest story around the Apple TV 2025 is that Apple is reportedly merging performance, AI, and ecosystem power like never before. We're talking about a major leap that takes the Apple TV from being just a streaming hub to a central control brain for your digital life. Leaks suggest that the new Apple TV will be powered by Apple's M3 chip, the same chip that powers the latest MacBook Air. That means we're not just looking at faster app loading or smoother 4K playback. We're talking console-level graphics, advanced AI processing, and power efficiency that puts it years ahead of every other streaming device. Now imagine this: Apple Arcade games running in full 4K HDR with no lag. High-end mobile games, maybe even light versions of console titles, playing directly on your TV with a new Siri remote that feels more like a game controller. That's the experience Apple seems to be building toward. But that's not all. One of the most exciting leaks is that Apple is planning deep AI integration for the 2025 Apple TV. It's not just Siri anymore. This new system might use on-device intelligence to understand what you like, what you watch, and even your habits. For example, imagine sitting down in the evening and your Apple TV already has your favorite show queued up, lights dimmed through HomeKit, and the perfect sound setting activated automatically, all without you saying a single word. That's the kind of seamless, intelligent experience Apple wants to deliver this year. Another key update that has people talking is the design. Apple is rumored to be making it thinner, sleeker, and more minimal than ever. There are whispers that it could even come in two finishes, space black and silver, to match your other Apple devices. And while the box might look simple on the outside, it's what's inside that's going to set a new standard. We're also hearing that Apple may finally add support for HDMI 2.1, which would unlock higher refresh rates for gaming and smoother video playback on 120 Hz TVs. That alone could make a huge difference. For people using next-gen displays or Apple Arcade titles that can take advantage of it, now let's talk audio. Because Apple is not stopping at visuals this time. The Apple TV 2025 is expected to bring support for next-generation spatial audio and lossless playback. When paired with AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, or the upcoming HomePod 3, it could deliver a completely immersive sound experience. Imagine feeling like you're inside the movie, with sound moving perfectly around you in 3D space. And if you're part of the Apple ecosystem, the integration level here could blow your mind. Your iPhone becomes your remote. Your Apple Watch can pause or skip shows. Your HomePod becomes your voice assistant and speaker. Even your Mac could instantly cast its screen with zero lag using the upgraded AirPlay 3 technology that's expected to debut alongside this device. Speaking of AirPlay, Apple is reportedly working on improving it dramatically. The new version will support multi-device streaming, faster connections, and even background streaming that continues seamlessly if you switch devices. So, you could start a movie on your iPad, continue it on your Apple TV, and finish it on your Mac, all without missing a frame. Now let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. Apple's devices have always been premium, and the 2025 Apple TV will likely follow that pattern. Insiders suggest there could be two models this year, one around $149 and another Pro version around $199. The Pro model could come with more storage, faster connectivity, and advanced gaming capabilities. But here's where it gets interesting. Some leaks suggest Apple might bundle the new Apple TV with other services like Apple One or even Apple Arcade Premium. That could make it a more tempting offer for existing Apple users who are already in the ecosystem. And let's not forget Apple's rumored push into the AI-driven TV experience. There's talk of a new personalized content feed powered by on-device machine learning. It would analyze your preferences, your recent activity, and even your time of day to recommend exactly what you want to watch, without annoying ads or generic suggestions. Now imagine combining that with Apple Vision Pro compatibility. That's right. Apple is reportedly developing cross-device experiences that link the Apple TV and Vision Pro headset. For instance, you could start a show on your Apple TV, then continue watching it in immersive 3D space with your Vision Pro, or use your TV as a massive AirPlay screen for Vision Pro games. That's next-level ecosystem thinking. But what's really going to push this device ahead is Apple's focus on sustainability and efficiency. The new Apple TV is rumored to use an all-recycled aluminum body, a fanless cooling system, and ultra-low power draw, while still outperforming anything else on the market. And it doesn't end there. Apple could introduce a brand new remote, finally solving the long-standing complaints about the Siri remote. Reports say it'll have a haptic touchpad, a dedicated Find My chip, and maybe even wireless charging. That means no more lost remotes or battery swaps. Just place it on your MagSafe charger and you're good to go. The software side will also play a huge role. The upcoming tvOS 19 update is rumored to bring a cleaner interface, better organization for streaming apps and widgets that give you quick access to weather, news, or smart home controls directly on the home screen. And that could make the Apple TV feel more like an interactive hub, not just a media player. There's even speculation about something called Apple Home View. This new feature could allow you to view all your smart devices, security cameras, and door sensors on one dashboard, directly on your TV. It's like turning your television into a smart home control center. Now, let's talk about something really interesting: gaming. Apple has been investing heavily in its own silicon and game development ecosystem, and the new Apple TV might finally be the device that takes Apple Arcade to the next level. With M3 chip power, support for 120 Hz gaming, and controller compatibility, it could become a real competitor to the likes of Xbox Cloud Gaming or even the Nintendo Switch Lite. Apple might even surprise everyone by introducing exclusive titles made for Apple TV that use advanced visuals and motion features. Combine that with crossplay between iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and Apple could have its own connected gaming world, all powered by its own chip. And while all these features sound futuristic, Apple's timeline for release doesn't seem far off. Most insiders predict the official launch around mid to late 2025, possibly at the September event, alongside new iPhones and Apple Watches. So yes, it's closer than you think. So is the upcoming Apple TV 2025 worth waiting for? From what we know so far, absolutely. It's shaping up to be more than a streaming box. It's Apple's big move into the future of smart entertainment, powered by AI, performance, and a growing ecosystem that no one else can match. And if Apple delivers even half of what's being rumored, it could redefine what we expect from a home entertainment device. If you're someone who already lives inside Apple's world, from iPhone to MacBook to AirPods, this could be the missing piece that ties everything together. So the real question is, are you ready to make your living room a part of Apple's smart future? Because 2025 might just be the year that happens. This is Tap Tech, your daily dose of the latest, smartest, and most exciting tech from around the world. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned. Because the Apple TV 2025 is just the beginning, and we're here to bring you every update the moment it drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, stay sharp, and keep tapping into tech.